you? Welcome to A Better Path Coming Soon University. This is English class. Today's lesson is vocabulary, and we are eliminating words from our lexicon. Yes, from our lexicon. So, today's word we're going to look at is destiny and destination. All right? So, destiny and destination. Both words have to do with space, okay? Location, all right? The difference between the two is that one is known and one is unknown, meaning that one know the space and location and the other one don't know the space and location. Guess who don't know the location? Yeah, you guessed it right. Destiny. Destiny is that which is ensured to come true. Predetermined. That's it. That which is predetermined. That is destiny. As for destination, it is a predetermined end of a journey. So you are going on a journey and you know where you're going. That's destination. Destination is known location, known space, predetermined. Okay, you decide in advance where you're gonna go. Destiny, you're going somewhere, but where? All right. So which of the word really doesn't make any sense in the physical sense and in the spiritual sense? Because don't we all should know where we're going? I know where I'm going. Don't you know where you're going? So why do we believe in destiny? Because with destination, if you know where you're going and you don't know how to get there, you can ask direction. You can ask for help. Well, destiny, they want you to pray. Okay. And you can become food on the devil's table. Okay? So you need to know where you're going. I want to rule my destination. Alright? So let's be careful of the words that we are using. Because destiny, are you praying for your destiny to be great? Because you just don't know where you're going? Doesn't it feel strange that you don't know where you're going? Doesn't that make you afraid that you don't know where you're going? How do we live every day not knowing where we're going? Think about it, people. I want to rule my destination. I want to know where I'm going. And you need to know where you're going. So we don't have to be afraid anymore. I love you. And I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your family and friends. Comment if you like. Thank you. Ciao.